Welcome to this video on the Kinaxis Lifecycle. We will explore the key stages, benefits, and job roles associated with this powerful supply chain management solution. The Kinaxis Lifecycle is the complete process for implementing, managing, and optimizing the cloud-based RapidResponse platform. It's a comprehensive solution for effective supply chain planning, improving visibility, collaboration, and decision-making. Organizations choose Kinaxis for its cloud-based planning platform, which provides real-time visibility into supply chain activities. This enables businesses to make faster, smarter decisions and respond quickly to market disruptions. The benefits of the Kinaxis Lifecycle include real-time supply chain visibility, faster decision-making through concurrent planning, and inventory optimization to reduce excess stock and lower operational costs. The main objective of the Kinaxis Lifecycle is to provide a clear understanding of modern supply chain processes, including demand and supply planning. The course aims to help learners understand the Kinaxis RapidResponse platform, its architecture, and real-time planning capabilities to improve operational efficiency. In conclusion, the Kinaxis Lifecycle is essential for organizations to manage and optimize their supply chains through real-time planning and collaboration. It provides a structured approach for improving key planning functions and overall business performance. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit www.hopeinfotech.com.